my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a chicken cheese pasta. If you're a vegetarian, then you can skip chicken and use vegetables like mushroom, capsicum and zucchini, or you can skip both of them and make a simple cheese pasta. So now let's take a look at the recipe. So the things we'll need is 350 grams of medium cut penne or any other pasta, 250 grams of boneless chicken. I have taken chicken breast and cut it into small chunks. 3 processed cheese slices, 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. You can also increase the amount of cheese if you like. Half a teaspoon black pepper, some salt to taste, 3 to 4 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We also need 1 finely chopped onion and 4 to 5 cloves of finely chopped garlic. I'm going to start by making the tomato puree. For that, take 3 to 4 tomatoes and cut it like this. It will help you to remove the skin easily from the boiled tomatoes. Then in a pan, boil some water and add 1 teaspoon salt to it. Now add the tomatoes and let it boil completely. As you can see, the tomatoes are completely done, so I'll take it off the heat and let it come down to room temperature. After that, I'll remove the skin and the eye of the tomato. Cut it into small slices and put it in the blender jar. Do this for all the tomatoes, then let's blend it into a smooth puree. It's done. This is how it should look. Now let's heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Then add 250 grams of boneless chicken. Add some salt to taste and some black pepper. Do not cook the chicken completely, just cook it for a few minutes until it slightly changes its color. It looks perfect. Now add 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped, and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Stir it for a few minutes. Then add the tomato puree that we had prepared. Followed by 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon oregano and mix it well. Then I'll add 3 processed cheese slices. It gives the sauce a thick and creamy texture. Mix it well. Then add around 350 grams of medium cut penne and some salt to taste. cover the pan until the pasta is fully cooked. It's been 15 minutes, so let's check on it. It's completely cooked. Add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Now add some grated mozzarella cheese and mix it well. It's good to go. You can serve it like this, or you can add some more cheese on the pasta because that's how I like it, so it's up to you. Now I'll add the rest of the cheese on the pasta. Cover the pan and cook it on low heat until the cheese is completely melted. Now look at that texture. It's so tempting. I can't wait to dig in. It's too good, guys. You have to give this a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, then give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or any questions, then make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you next week. Bye.